Hi, I'm Shiyu, and I'm gonna be taking my circulating reflection with you. So, starting off, the materials that connect my portfolio visually are elements like color palettes, page layout, and quick links for different sections. My collections of work introduces myself and my writing experience in some previous courses, including my appeal for environmental protection, and my attitude towards writing. My portfolio tells about my learning ability, writing ability, and how I get help and learn something through the documents I selected in the remix and curation sections. Of course, the feedback from my peers in the studio class provide me with a lot of new ideas and help to reflect on the whole website or a specific part. I would say that the collaborative work, peer review, and user testing were all useful revision tools, and all of them are really helped me shape my website and make the whole thing more coordinated and reasonable. I appreciate my peers' feedback, suggestions, and questions about my work in the studio. The feedback was very rewarding. They also make my work more effective. I utilize some writing moves in my projects. Collecting was used to collect my artifacts for my curation sections, and the original assignment for my remix sections. Curating was used through curation of the documents or artifacts I choose to include. I utilize theorizing to make a connection between artifacts and contextualizing to describe the documents I choose to include. Finally, circulating was used through this reflection video and the website. I used this writing moves and my writing all semester, not just in this studio or my English seminar class. I would say designing and adding to portfolio affects how I think about my writing and the project I'm showcasing. It gave me another way to describe my works, and since my portfolio is public, it means that not just people in this class or this university will see it, but everyone. Therefore, I choose two artifacts and that were closely related to our daily life. Although the creation of these artifacts are different, the purpose of them is the same. That is to appeal people to pay attention to environmental protection and stop damaging the ecological environment. I hope that through my project, more people can realize that the importance of environmental protections. It took my portfolio from a normal assignment to something more meaningful. I plan to add some work that I created in the future that will show my writing skills or that I think is interesting. And I hope this website says that I am a skilled writer with a lot of thinking. And thank you.